Hello and welcome to Fix64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I'm looking at a great value mini PC. With rising RAM and SSD costs, things just keep going up. If you need something that can do everything from surfing the web to running business software, schoolwork, and even use as a home entertainment box, then look no further. GMKtec sent me their G3 Pro mini PC. So let's unbox it real quick, go over the specs, and give it a test. Very nice. The packaging looks just like my Evo X2. Wow. That thing is tiny. There's a computer in there? That's crazy. Okay. There's the manuals and everything. HDMI cable. Mounting setup for, Visa. Back of the monitor. And here we have the power adapter. And don't forget to scan the warranty card and warranty it. Anyway, very nice box. Okay, yeah, just be careful of those plastic clips, but see how simple it is to get right into it. Two 8-gig sticks, DDR4, 2666. And you got a SATA, this is a M.2 SATA 512 gigabyte bit. And then it also has an NVMe drive support, so you can hook up an 8 terabyte for storage or whatever. So yeah, it kind of threw me off. It was like, oh, that looks like a SATA. Well, it is. So that's the built-in storage. And it's also got an Intel Core i3-10110U with 2 cores and 4 threads, and Intel UHD graphics for 10th gen Intel processors. And it has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, and there's that card. So let's get this thing back together. Very easy to open up. Got 2 USB 3.2 in the front, HDMI, 2 more USB 3.2, the Ethernet port, another HDMI, nice, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and the DC in, and a Kensington. Yeah, so this is 16 gigs, 512. Okay, I will take this over to the new test desk and get Windows set up, and we'll run a few benchmarks and see how this mini PC does. We might try Geekbench, maybe some others. I may possibly install Linux too. I mean, this thing is a teeny little box. It'd be a nice little media server even. All right, we're back. I have it hooked up to Ethernet, HDMI, and power, and here we go. Glowing. All right, here we are to Windows setup. So I will finish that up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I installed Windows and it looks like it's actually Windows 11 Pro, which is nice. It did do an update to 25H2, and yeah, it's a manufacturer GMKtec. Intel Core i3-10110U at 2.10 gigahertz, and then 16 gigs of RAM, 2667 MTS, 128 megabyte of UHD graphics, and 477 gigabytes of storage, which we discovered was a SATA card. Now, so let's I was thinking of doing a speed test on networking, so let's do that real quick. I have a 2 gig up and 2 gig down, and this is plugged into the Ethernet, and it seems to be getting close to my 2 gig. That's pretty good. Fast internet machine. That's impressive. And that's plugged into Ethernet. I have not tried just the Wi-Fi. All right, next thing I will check is we'll just do a Geekbench. I mean, for the G3 Pro is kind of positioned more as a budget friendly computer. So, I'm not expecting it to be like 9800 X3D type stuff. So let's just run a benchmark anyway, see where it goes. This machine's been very snappy so far. So yeah, it's great for different tasks. Internet browsing, really good. And of course, Microsoft Word, Office, any open office type thing for Linux. I think Linux would respond very well on this machine. Okay, as you can see, single core 1259, multi-core 2084. So yeah, I mean, I expected that. It's a little tiny mini PC. And, I think where this thing would really shine would be to hook to a TV and have it as like a media box or, something like that. I don't think I'll put Linux on it today, but maybe I'll do that another day and revisit. But yeah, I mean, this thing is what it is. It's not $5,000 gaming machine. No, I think it's around $300. Nice little unit to use for your office or students in their dorm room. Whatever. I don't know. Maybe we'll try some emulation out on it sometime. That's another thing, like some light emulation titles. Yeah, I did not see how much. I wonder if the memory can go higher than 16 gigs. Another great thing about it has an M.2 slot in it, so you can throw an 8 terabyte drive in there to store movies or TV shows, all that. And I think that's kind of what this is more geared toward, is somebody who wants to utilize it as a tool. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty darn snappy. It brings everything up pretty quick. Looks like we need to do another update, probably a small one. Yep, nothing serious. Yeah, see, that's not bad at all. 289. And what's cool is you can move two 4K displays at 60 hertz each. Ah, okay, yeah, that's why it was a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet is what it has. I was thinking it only had one, so that's why it was getting such great internet speed. Yeah, so yeah, that's a bit of a surprise. 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. I don't know why I didn't have that in my specs. Well, anyway, now you know why it was so fast. In fact, when it updated last night, it updated very quickly. I was like, whoa. So yeah, impressive. So yeah, very, very good to hook to your network. Nice little PC. All right, let's try this again now that I know. Oh yeah, my internet's acting up though today too, so this isn't showing like full potential either, I don't think. Yeah, for my internet acting up, that's pretty darn good. Very nice. All right, yeah, I think I'll play with this further another day. And yeah, this was just a quick unboxing, kind of an overview. We checked out the insides. Very cool. So yeah, I'd like to thank GMKtec for sending me the G3 Pro. It's definitely worth a look at if you're in the market for an office, school, media center, or even a Linux console. It's a great price, and the i3-10110U feels very snappy to me. And I would also like to thank my viewers and subscribers. And if you like this sort of thing, please like and subscribe. And if you want to know when my next video is out, which is currently in post-production and featuring another mini PC, then please click the bell button. I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.